Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rover. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Python program that converts PDF files to DOCX files with a user-friendly graphical interface using Tkinter. This tutorial is perfect for both beginners and advanced programmers. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what we're going to build. Our program will allow users to select a PDF file, specify the output location for the DOCX file, and then convert the PDF to DOCX with just a click of a button. We'll use Tkinter for the graphical user interface and PDF2doc for the conversion. To get started, you'll need to have Python installed on your computer. You'll also need a few additional libraries. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following commands to install them. Great. Now that we have our environment set up, let's move on to writing the code. Open your favorite code editor and let's start coding. First, we'll import the necessary libraries. Next, we'll create a class called PDFTODOCX Converter App to handle our application's logic and user interface. This is the main part of our program. We've created a class that sets up the GUI, allows users to browse for the PDF file, selects a location to save the DOCX file, and handles the conversion process. Next, we'll test our program. Save your script and run it. You should see a window like this. Let's test it by selecting a PDF file and specifying the output DOCX file. Click the Convert button and wait for the conversion to complete. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a success message. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF to DOCX converter with a graphical user interface using Python. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.